Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is December the 7th, and we have our little, let me see which one, Santa Barbara Begonia seedlings here. And I was watering them today, soaking them in their little tray over there. And I noticed on some of them, let me pull it out here, that little pink thing that you see there. See if the camera will focus in. Sorry about that. There we go. That's actually one of the roots. It's coming out of the side of the peat pellet. And that's what we want. Now they are not ready to be transplanted yet. There's another one. Let me see here. Is it this one? No, there's another one over here. Here we go. That white, let the camera focus in, sorry about that. That white root there, that is one of the roots from our little begonia seedlings. And you can see it's getting its leaf here. This is its second leaf, and it has the angel wing design to it. The Bonivius, sorry about that, series begonias have like an angel wing design to their leaves, and you can see that they're getting that. So we will keep nurturing these along. They are not ready to be transplanted yet, and I just wanted to show you that. So they are establishing their root systems, which is good. That's what we want. And here's another Santa Barbara there. And you can see there's another root growing out on it. And they're doing what they're supposed to be doing. I'm very pleased with them. Here's another one here. Now we gotta watch that they don't start growing together. Like, we gotta watch that the roots don't start growing into the other peat pellets that are in the container with it. That would be bad. So we definitely want to make sure, like, I think this one here was going to try and do that, that they don't grow together. Okay, so we are over here with our San Francisco begonia seedlings, and you can see here there is one that is starting to grow the roots out the side, and there's another one right here. That's starting to grow its roots out the side, and that's what we want. So I just wanted to show you an update here since I seen that. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions about these, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. And don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. And I hope you have a nice day. Bye.